Why is proper riding gear really important for adventure riding? And not just why, what all riding gear you should wear. So let's go through this in this video. When you are riding an adventure motorcycle, you are always exposed to the environment, even to the elements. And that's one of the things that you enjoy the most as well. However, you don't like falling, you don't like being hurt, but that might happen, which is why riding apparel, riding gear is there. One of the best way to ride on and keep riding for longer is to invest in good riding apparel or good riding gear. And today we'll talk about that. Let's go bottoms up. So we'll start with the boots. There are various kinds of boots which are available for adventure riding, but I think the best one is that saves you the most. So as a rider myself, I choose motocross boots or even enduro boots over adventure riding boots because in case of a fall, they give me a better protection because they have less flex over adventure boots. And I'm not talking about the road boots because road boots are made for the road and we are talking about adventure. Then coming to the knees, you can start with knee guards which are available in various motorcycle riding pants or even separate knee guards on top of various other apparels. But having seen my fair share of injuries, I think it's better to invest in knee braces. Knee braces come in various forms and shape, single side, dual side, etc. You can search a lot. But knee braces not just serve you with the impact protection, but also gives you a lot of twisting movement protection. So that means when your leg is twisting, it will stop that movement, dissipating the pressure from that point to various other body parts. Going up is hip area. There are many people who wear hip protection, and which is primarily to protect the side part and the tailbone, and that's optional. As much as you wear, the better it is for you as a rider. So if you look into any riding jersey, there are a lot of people who wear riding armors inside, and armors comprises of 6 contact areas: 2 of the elbows, 2 of the shoulders, the chest and the back protection. So chest and the back protection is provided by a chest armor and a back armor, and all of the other parts are provided by other armors. This can be sufficed not just with an armor set, but also with an effective motorcycle riding jacket as well. You can invest in that. It provides not just impact protection, twist protection, but also abrasion protection, which means when you are going from off-road to on-road and you have a slide over there, it will save you over there. Then comes your hands. Gloves are a must. There are 2 impact points. One is the knuckle area and the second is the palm area. The palm area is the most important one because this is the first point of contact as soon as you drop your motorcycle or you have a fall. So over here it is important to have the sliding functionality so that you could slide and dissipate the energy across. And then comes your helmet. Having said everything about other riding gear, I think the most important thing is the helmet. So please make sure that you invest in a good motorcycling helmet, be it adventure riding, touring or even road riding, because at the end of the day, helmet saves lives. Then comes the optional part, which is the neck brace. We have seen a lot of injuries of people where they have had head rotation movement or even head extension movement where they have been able to survive because they were wearing neck braces. So I think it's a good idea to invest in a neck brace in a long run to elongate your motorcycling ride for the fun. Please share your comments, your questions in the comment section below. I would love to answer them and would love to get more ideas on what kind of questions and what kind of content that I can come up with for you guys in the videos coming soon. Also, share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. I'll be back soon.